2, 3. Alright, let's try again. 1, 2, 3. It's alright, let's try again.
Uncomfortable. I have taken some medicine, but it was useless.
I understand.
How do you understand? You don't get the sick.
I did.
You look like that you don't get a cold.
Yesterday I get a severe cold, but I took. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'm comfortable. I have taken some medicine, but it was useless.
I can understand.
How do you understand?
Of course I understand.
Impression is most important. Yeah, you will first date with him.
What should I do?
Just take the worry when you get a call.
I feel so